Basi tunamwona Rais mstaafu wa taifa la Niger, Mheshimiwa Issoufou Mahamadou. We now welcome His Excellency, the former President of Niger, His Excellency Issoufou Mahamadou, who has now walked in and received by His Excellency the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, together with Pastor Dorcas. Maroon Commandos, tuendelee. Anaingia sasa ni Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Mataifa la Comoros ambaye ni Azali Assoumani. And now we receive His Excellency the President of Comoros, His Excellency Azali Assoumani. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali tukimkaribisha mgeni wa heshima leo amekuja kuwa nasi katika sherehe zetu. His Excellency, the President of Comoros, Azali Assoumani, now joining us right here in Moi Stadium, Embu, for the celebration of the 60th Madaraka Day celebrations right here.